Hello folks, welcome to Coding World. In this video, we are going to learn about setup of Scala and Apache Spark. So to do the first Hello World program in Scala, we need a Java environment in our uh, system and Apache Spark. So let's jump to the installation of JDK and Apache Spark and Winutils. Winutils is used to when you are running the hardware in your Windows. For that, you need this utils. We will see how where we will put and how to use this. So let's start with the jdk installation. I have given all these three links in video description. If you go to the first link, I have already copied that and open in my browser. You will able to see the jdk 8 version. For this tutorial we are using jdk 8. So I have installed windows 64. So if you download this JDK8, you will get the one executable jar. I already downloaded it, so it will look like this. If you run this, one folder will create in a C drive, Java folder, so it will be. So in Java folders, you will able to see the JDK GRE. I have installed JDK8, so we will use this. Now you have installed JDK and need to keep this path in environment variable, because whenever you run the program, your system need to know that where exactly that Java has been installed. So we will give this path in our environment variable. So open environment variable. In environment variable, we have two types of variable. One is for user level and one is system level. So we can give in system level. So create one Java home variable and give the path location where your Java folder is created. So I have already created. You can edit that and check the values. So Java home, and this is the path location where JDK folder has been placed. So once now give this variable name in your path also, because system read the path and whatever variables we have declared in that it will use. So you can edit this and you can add your Java home variable in this path. So I have already given all the full path here, so I'm not going to add it. Here I have added the JDK bin folder. So instead of that, you can add the new variable like $Java home percent slash bin. Like this also you can add the directory location. So I have already full path, so I am removing this. Okay, now you install Java in your system. Let's check the Java version. So yeah, we have successfully installed the JDK in our system. Now let's install Apache Spark. So I have given this link. You just copy this link and paste it here. Okay, so Apache org spark.apache.org is here in download links. You will able to see the Spark download link. So select there are two versions, 3.1, 3.1 and 2.4.7. So I have installed 2.4.7 for this tutorial. So you can choose whatever you want and download this zip. I have already downloaded this. It will look like this Spark 2.4.7 being Hadoop. If you extract it here, one more folder will create. I have already extracted. So in that, one more tar file will be created. You have to extract it again. Then you will able to see the Spark folder. In that we have all folders like bin, config, data, and jars. Now create one more. Copy this all content. Create one Spark folder inside C directory. So I have already created. Then paste all the content from that folder to here. So I already pasted it. Now you have did the setup for the Spark. So now we are running the big data in our Windows applications, Windows operating system. So we need to install Windows Utils in our system. So in third link is for to download the Winutils. So if you copy this link, I have already copied it and open into your browser. It will look like this. You can download Windows Util from this link here from download. Once you downloaded that, I already downloaded this. Create one more folder, Hadoop or Windows Utils in your system. So I have created Windows Util in C drive. Then create a one big folder under that and paste the downloaded Windows Util here. Now you have created two folders, Spark and Windows Util in your C drive. Let's give this in a path in an environment variable. So let the system know where exactly Spark has been installed and the Windows Util to run our Hadoop program. So environment variable, environment variable, we have created Hadoop variable, we will declare in a user variable. Okay, so Hadoop home I have created one variable. I have given the path location, Windows Util path location. Now one more variable Spark home I have created and given the Spark folder location. So mention these two variable in your path. So I have given this Hadoop home slash bin and Spark home slash bin. Now your path has been declared. Now let's run the Spark job. So we will run the Spark shell and we'll try to create first Scala program. Let's see, cmd Spark shell. Run this command. It will open the Spark shell. If we have successfully installed, it will open the Scala shell. Yes, it's running. Give it few seconds. Yeah, we successfully installed Spark in our system. We are able to see the Spark version here and the Scala is running. Okay, Scala shell is open and running. So let's start. I'm so excited to run my first Scala program. Print ln hello from coding world. Yeah, we got the output, and that means we have successfully installed Scala and Apache Spark on our system. Guys, in this video, we have seen the setup of the Apache Spark and Scala, and we ran our first program. In next tutorial, next video, we will learn about the basic of Scala. So that's for this video. If you like and if you feel useful this video, please like our video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.